my boy that pulled up in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all know every time I come to the A, baby, y'all already know what I'm about to do. Link up with my boy. Yes, sir. And y'all already see Maxine sitting over in the background. Now watch he hate. Watch he hate. He gonna say something about my car name. And I don't know why he be hating on Maxine, bro. He be hating on Maxine so hard. Hold on, bro. Big Rod, what's up, my boy? What's happening, man?
Challenger in the back.
Where is that? Oh, back there?
On the other side of the building, it's V5 blue.
We'll probably ride back there.
I need to charge.
Man, we just stopped at the dealership, man. We right here at Ed Voyles, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Chrysler, and Marietta, man. You know what I'm saying? We just passed by to see the SRT 392 thing right here, though. Oh, hey, it fooled me, though. It's the badge. I ain't even pay no attention to it, bro.
Yeah, look.
Got the
Good Scat Pack logo in that hoe. But this
I like them seats though, bro.
Fooling niggas, man. That's not right, bro.
What they want for it? What they want for it?
They ain't gonna say. They ain't gonna say what they want for it.
Bro, I wish y'all could see the inside of these.
What is it, red?
Yeah, it's like red and black. They can spend, look at that junk. It's like red in the middle, black around the edge.
So that's aftermarket.
Yeah, that's really clean though. Screw. It is though. What it is? Oh, that scratch, that scat with the green with the black stripe. First of all, man, y'all see how we pulled up, man. You know what I'm saying? You know we had to make an entrance, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, he be hating, bro. Maxine right here. He dig what I'm saying? My boy, Mr. Hellcat, right here in the Hellcat thing. And y'all already know who this. Look. He want to be part of the gang so bad. I told him to go and put it on the 392 gang. Well, stop hating, bro. Hey, what is it, a GT? I think this is GT. They put Brimbos in the GTs too.
Nah, nigga, it's a Scat. They took the logo off.
Oh, I see the RC in the back.
Somebody stole them for a logo.
Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's tough.
Why you logo, bro? But this folks stole them for a logo, bro. See, that's the only thing I like about the Hellcat hood. On all the challenges.
Oh, yeah.
All the challenges got the Hellcat hood. All of them. That's crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't no Mustang fan, but it's a clean 5.0 right here though. Hey, you know we do the fours though.
But they ain't 19.
Hey, let me say this for all my subscribers. Y'all know we do the four, we blow the doors off on. I'm just saying. I need to get my phone, bro. I need a thumbnail. I heard that Mustang on 285 gave you the business though. I heard that red Mustang on 285 gave you the business.
What red Mustang?
I just played.
No red Mustang.
I heard that black scat though gave you the business on. I heard that black scat back there gave you the business. That black scat right there gave you the business, sir. You better be worried about Maxine, cause hey, how can you be worried about something you don't see?
Ooh.
Man, I like that green on that car though. We're gonna ride around back, man, and we're gonna check out their red eye. They got a red eye back there. So we gonna look at it and see what they're here for. He the only one got his daggone parking lights on. Now you wanna turn them on. You gotta be different. Everywhere you go, you gotta be different. You were different in Dallas, you were different in Florida. You just wanna be different. SRT different, that's your name. My fault. Bro, stop hating on my name, bro. Man, look, bro. We trying to go somewhere and get some footage, take a picture in a couple of these murals, man. But everywhere we go, bro, it's raining, bro. That's one thing in Atlanta. You never know, man. 12. I spy 12. But nah, man. Everywhere we go, man, it's drizzling, rain, man. So right now, like the sky, see how the sky is. You know what I'm saying? But bro, they definitely. Man, somebody. Who mans is this, bro? Somebody gonna get their mans, bro. Hey, y'all go on his YouTube, man. Follow my boy YouTube, man. Inside 285. I'm gonna put the link. I'm gonna put the name right there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all go hit him up on IG, SRT Queez. I also put it right there. Also go follow my boy Mr. Hellcat. I'm gonna drop his IG right here. See, I'm trying to get him a shout out. He talking. You never know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what.
She said she want a shout out for her YouTube.
You want a shout out for your YouTube? Tell your people what your YouTube is. Huh? Miss Hellcat. I'm gonna drop it right there. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe and follow everybody that I just named, man. Hey, bro, what happened to your YouTube stick? I just thought about that. Why you took it off?
Man, hey, these cats out here are not fucking with this shit, bro.
Now, see, this what I'm talking about, bro. Like, y'all just saw how it wasn't raining where I just was. Now it's raining, bro, and we on the same street. You feel what I'm saying? This is the Atlanta BS I be talking about, bro. Everybody was supposed to be cool today. It wasn't supposed to rain. Well, it was supposed to rain, but it wasn't supposed to rain till earlier. You feel what I'm saying? Now, it's like we can't even stand outside and get a good shot at nothing. You feel me? Because the rain, man. So I think right now, man, we pushing north because we following the little weather out, man. So we pushing north. You feel what I'm saying? To try to beat this thing or whatever, or just go places that, you know what I'm saying, it ain't. You dig? But I don't know, man. So we're gonna see how this weather play out, man. Meantime, in between time, I don't know, man. I wanna go get something to eat, man. I'm trying to figure it out, man, cause I'm waiting on my girl and my family to get through dress shopping and all that. They looking at wedding dresses. See, like look right now. See how it start raining just like that? Like just like that it start raining. Yes, so get stupid there. That jump hard. S7, RS5. This is the one that got the V8 twin turbo though. The drop top. Joint clean though. Hey, what turbo got? Turbo got the S6 or the S? He got an S6, don't it? Yeah, turbo got an S6. Drop top. Hey, I think she's telling you she want that one, bro. She want that one. How much they asking? How much they want for this joint?
See the price on it? The price anywhere on?
Nah, this is 2015. I don't think the price on here though. 2015. Nah, they ain't got the price on here.
That's why you can't buy these motherfuckers.
Why?
You getting somebody to Tom at 41,000 miles.
Oh, they've been riding
Yeah,
it.
they ain't dog shit.
Man, I want to go buy him a Tesla.
It'll be our daily car. You know, like, this is our daily car. Oh, this vehicle's not for sale.
Hey, for sale.
Yeah, nah.
Got the screen in the joint though. The Maserati action right here though. Bro, these cars really like $30,000, $35,000, bro. Like, they really not that expensive at all. Hey then, I got this Roush Stage 3 right here. Supercharged. I ain't no Mustang guy, but you know what I'm saying. To all my Coyote fans out there, here y'all go. Manual, Roush, supercharged. Huh?
Is it supercharged?
Yeah, it's supercharged.
You sure Roush is supercharged?
Yeah.
I thought only the 500 comes supercharged.
No, the Roush is supercharged, I thought. Cause they got the.
Oh yeah, well, it's Roush charged, not supercharged.
Well, it still got supercharged on it though.
Nah, Roush make a different type of supercharger.
But it's still a supercharger.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Call it Roush charge then.
I don't know, man. Y'all want to hear a bad car? Woo. Go ahead and turn that little weak fly of the Bumblebee on. liking. So we finna keep on pushing. Take this mask off, man. Y'all make sure y'all wearing y'all mask out there. Oh, turn that copyright off. Y'all make sure y'all wearing y'all mask out there, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all got your hand sanitizer. Yes, sir, gang. All right, man. So I don't know where we finna go now, man, but I'll get back with y'all when we get there. Yes, sir. Y'all already know how we ride, man. Got my boy, Mr. Hellcat right there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know. I got my guy SRT Queez right there in the flight of the Bumblebee. In their flight of the Bumblebee Daytona. Doing, gang. Guess we turned around. I don't know why though. I think we missed that turn or something. We're gonna see. Yes, sir. Dang, man. I want to get a photo right here, man, but it's too much going on. Come on, 5-0. Get out the way, bro. Nobody want to see you. You feel me? Get out the way, boy. I don't know what this is. I mean, I want y'all to see something real quick, man. Look at the color scheme we got going on right here. You know what I'm saying? Burgundy, burgundy, black, black, yellow, yellow. Dope though, man. You know what I'm saying? We're just out here taking some pictures, man. Hey, I am, man. Atlanta got some dope murals though, bro. So I'm just, you you know what I'm saying, showing y'all what we doing down here on this vlog, man. We taking some photos, man, down here in Atlanta, man. You know, nice mirrors, man, but I got to get back to my photos by Rob, so I'll be back.